Hi everyone, my name is Sushant Khatri. This is my final project for Code in Place 2026, and as you can see, this is my project. I have tried to make my own paint studio. I want to build a completely digital art application using Python graphics. I design a custom user interface with shortcut menu at the top and dynamic color palette at the bottom. The drawing mechanics uses continuous line interpolation, so no matter how fast you move the mouse, the line stay perfectly smooth. You can click to start drawing and click to stop drawing. Like as you can see, I am going to paint a rectangle shape. Okay, you can see it is currently in black color. Okay, let use red color. Okay, you can see I try to use red color, then let use blue color. Okay, let use something random. Okay, as you can see I did something random. Okay guys, now let learn about what is Z. Z, if you press it, it will be undo, and if you press Y, it will be redo, and if you press E, it means erase. You can erase anything by pressing it, and it is same mechanics like click start and click stop. Okay, and you can like currently you can see the erasing size is small, but you can also increase it by brush size. Press W to increase and press S to decrease brush size. Okay guys, now let me show you how we can use some other cool features in it. Okay, so let increase brush size. If you press W, as you can see now brush size has been increases. The longer you press the W, that much longer the size will increase. As you can see, okay, let me do some random things. As you can see, W did this thing. Okay, let use S. S mean small. As you can see now, it is tiny, right? It is tiny, so let again press W. Okay, you can see it got bigger. Okay, and I again press S, making it smaller or tiny. Okay, let's do something random. Okay, dot dot. Okay, as you can see, okay, okay, let's make it clear because it is not looking good. Okay, as you can see, when we press C, it get clears. Okay, let's draw something random. Okay, so if we draw something random, we everyone knows like what will happen, right? So after doing something random, if you want this canvas to stay in your project as a proof what you have drawn, then you can just press exit, so you get out of the program. Then after that you can press your right click. Then after you press right click, you can press save image as, and it will get you to saving that image in your current device as rename it. After that you can store it in your device. As you can see, I have one simple sample of Mona Lisa, and as you can see, okay, let me zoom it so you guys can see it more clearly. Okay, as you can see, okay, let me zoom out. Okay guys, for today this much. Peace out. You can follow me. As you can see in video, there are my channel handles name, and shout out to everyone who had helped me. Okay, as you can see, but let me summarize everything. But under the hood, the most complex part of this project was state management. I use Python dictionary and list to store the history of every single stroke. This allows me to build a fully functional undo system by pressing Z, and redo system by pressing Y, and erase mode activate by pressing E, and when I press R, it make us random color of neons. It is more likely, you can say it is more likely rainbow color, like it comes in random pattern. And W mean brush get bigger, S mean brush get smaller. Now at last, exit mean you safely close the application. This taught me so much about loop tracking, mouse state, and managing complex data structure. Thank you, Chris, Mehran, and the entire Code in Place team for an amazing course. I learned so many things. So thank you all, and peace out.